Luis Delgado, a Peruvian tour guide, found an ancient archaeological site carved into Hayumarca Mountain, near Lake Titicaca in Peru's Andes Mountains near the border with Bolivia, in 1996. It was named Aramu Muru, the Gate of the Gods. It is one of the most mysterious and contentious archaeological locations in South America. There are several theories about the Gate of the Gods' origin and purpose, but its true function and importance remain unknown. Lake Titicaca is the largest lake in South America and the ancestral home of several indigenous communities, including the Aymara and Quechua peoples, whose traditions and beliefs are deeply intertwined with the lake and its surroundings. There are many islands and villages on the lake, including the famous Uros Islands, which are floating islands made of reeds. The lake also contains several ancient archaeological sites, including the ruins of Tiwanaku, an ancient pre-Columbian city situated near the lake's southeastern shore. The site is thought to date back to 400 BC and is regarded as one of the most important archaeological sites in South America. Hayumarca Mountain, located near Lake Titicaca, is thought to have been a site of worship and pilgrimage for the Inca civilization. This is where Aramu Muru can be found. The Gate of the Gods is a large door-like building carved out of the Hayumarca Mountain near Lake Titicaca. This enigmatic structure is regarded as one of the most enigmatic and contentious archaeological locations in South America. The Gate of the Gods is made of solid granite and stands 7 meters 23 feet tall and 7 meters wide. It is T-shaped and has a circular depression in the center, which some think was used for ceremonial or astronomical purposes. In addition to the primary structure, the site contains a smaller, carved tunnel. For millennia, the structure has been shrouded in mystery and myth, and there are numerous ideas as to its origin and purpose. Some think it was built by an ancient pre-Incan civilization, while others believe it was built by extraterrestrials. According to Native American legends, heroes of the past passed through that door to encounter their gods. They acquired immortality and a life among the gods by passing through the door. According to the stories, some of those men returned to Earth through the gate with their gods to examine their kingdoms. The entrance led to the gods' domain. Other legends, such as those of the Sumerians, feature the concept of a stargate or a portal, a gate through which one can travel to various places. Another legend tells the account of Aramu Muru, an Inca priest at the Seven Rays Temple. To avoid the Spanish, it is said that he fled the temple with a golden disc known as the Key of the Gods of the Seven Rays and proceeded to hide in the mountain of Hayumarca. The golden disc was ultimately used by Aramu Muru during a ceremony with other priests. He walked through the open entryway. According to tradition, light has been emitted from the tunnel he passed through, despite the lack of tangible evidence to back up these theories. The Gate of the Gods has become a popular tourist destination for tourists and spiritual seekers from all over the world, who are drawn to the site's mysterious energy and supposed link to the supernatural. Some visitors think the site is a gateway to another dimension or the spiritual sphere. While the Gate of the Gods continues to be a source of danger, its real purpose and origin remain a source of fascination and speculation. Nonetheless, its unusual design and location continue to draw visitors from all over the world who are drawn to its enigmatic qualities and possible historical significance. Since it is deemed an ancient archaeological site and is protected by the Peruvian government, no further excavations have taken place there.